service and aspiring service, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doyen, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a few tips on how you can make money in streetwear. So if this interests you, you want to keep watching this video to the end, so please kindly stay tuned, grab your popcorn, and learn one or two things from this video. I mean, if it is not valuable, I won't be bringing it to you, so please kindly stay tuned. Now, the number one thing I'm going to say from this section is have a target audience. Okay, who are the people I want to sell to? Who are my clients? Who are my customers? Now, you may want to consider international clients. These are people that wear more of this streetwear. And how can you target these people? You can actually run ads, or you leverage on the contact of people that you have over there. This way you'll be able to make sales from streetwear. Another thing I have on my list here is bulk production. Now, if you have universities around you, you have polytechnic around you, you might want to pitch your business idea to them that, oh, I make streetwears, I make varsity jackets for fresh graduates, I make sweatshirts for fresh graduates, I make streetwears. Just pitch out your idea to them. Okay, this is what I do. I can actually make this for your final year students. They are definitely going to like it. And you can actually make a few samples, take it to them, let them check it out, and be able to vouch for the authenticity of your job. And with that, you're going to gain clients from them. And one thing I want you to take note of is the fact that once you go into bulk production, they know that your prices are going to reduce compared to how much you're going to be selling one piece, because you are dealing with bulk production. So you either choose the one you want to go for, whether you want to deal with direct clients or you want to deal with bulk production. And let me also chip this in that the bulk production can also lead you to selling to people who want to resell. We have a lot of vendors out there. We have a lot of vendors at the markets that actually sell these streetwears that we make. They sell sweatpants, joggers, sweat top, t-shirts, and the likes. You can actually pitch your business idea to them. Oh, I'm a streetwear producer, manufacturer, and I have these items to sell. Oh, I want to sell them to you. I make good wares, I make quality wares. I mean, just sell yourself out to them, and you'll be amazed at how they are going to embrace or jump at your offer, especially if your prices are very reasonable and friendly. Another point I have here on how you can make money in streetwear is by monetizing your knowledge. You want to consider teaching people what you know how to do. Oh, I can make streetwear and I can make it excellently well. Oh, why not create classes, teach people how to make streetwear? I mean, you're not going to be losing anything by doing this. You are going to just be imparting knowledge to people, and at the end of the day, you would just realize that you're making money from it. So why not? You can actually create a platform whereby you sell patterns, whereby you make tutorial videos, whereby you actually do things just so that people can learn and you earn from it. Another point I have on how you can make money in streetwear is by selling streetwear fabric. One thing I've realized over the years is that a lot of people actually want to go into streetwear, but they do not really have access to these fabrics. So you may want to offer a solution by becoming a vendor to these people in these locations. I mean, there are a couple of states that they don't have vendors that actually sell streetwear. So if you find yourself in such location, you can actually decide to start importing fabrics and start selling in your location. By that way, you're solving a problem, and not just solving a problem, you're making money from it. I mean, the goal is to make money, right? So the final point I have here on my list is selling of images. Now, if you go to local markets around you, you're going to see numbers of couple of images, not couple, you're going to see numerous images at the market that people are selling and at a lower cost. Now, when I go to the market, I actually don't buy this images. Why? Is because I can't really relate to most of these images. So if you want to make money in streetwear, you can consider generating a lot of images online, Christian write-ups, Muslim write-ups, inspirational write-ups, images that are relatable. It could be a trend, it could be anything, something that is relatable. You might just want to generate these images out and start selling them at a cost. To be honest, a lot of people are out there that they don't really have the strength of going to printer space to go and print and all that, except maybe it's on demand. So if you have this eye-catching images for sale, to be honest, people are definitely going to buy from you. no doubt. And let me also add to this, even though this is my final point, let me also add to this that you cannot make money if you're not ready to spend money. So if you want to make money on street in streetwears, then you should also be ready to spend money. Now I come on YouTube to come and teach people, to come and teach you, my viewers, how to, you know, sew something. Now for every video I make, I am spending money, and to be honest, it is actually not easy compared to what it will be paying. It used to be paying peanuts compared to the money we spend. So if you see any creator on YouTube that is actually sharing his or her knowledge to you, to be honest, all you just have to do is just give the person their praise that they deserve. Just be thankful. The best you can do is to just leave in the comments on that particular post, because it is a whole lot. It is a whole lot. So when you want, if you want to make money, if your aim is to make money, then you also need to spend money. You also need to spend money, invest in it, and you know, you're going to see how it's going to turn up. So if you enjoy watching this video, then you want to like this particular video, you want to share, you want to comment, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye.